Ever tried to fit a long part, like a metal rod or a bridge beam, onto a standard drawing sheet? It either shrinks to a dot or needs a paper roll a mile long. This is a classic engineering problem, showing big ideas in small spaces. The solution? Breaking and interruption. These tricks let you skip the boring, repetitive middle and focus on the important ends. It's not cheating, it's smart communication. By using breaks, your drawings become cleaner, easier to read, and more professional. Imagine drawing a 10-meter pipe. The middle is just pipe. A break lets you show the ends and skip the endless straight line. This saves space and highlights what matters. A clear drawing means fewer mistakes and better builds. Good drawings tell a story. If it's confusing, things go wrong. Mastering breaks and interruptions isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about making sure your ideas are built right every time. Let's see how it works. So, what are these space-saving techniques? First, the break for long, uniform parts like shafts or rods. You chop out the middle and use break lines to show it's longer than it looks. Example: a curtain rod with fancy ends. Draw the ends, add jagged break lines, and label the true length. Interruption is different. It's for showing a partial view, like a window into a part, to reveal internal features. Use a wavy line to create a boundary, then show the inside details just in that area. Think of a car engine. Instead of a full cross-section, interrupt just one cylinder to show its details. Both methods keep your drawing focused and clear. Breaks skip the boring middle. Interruptions spotlight the important inside. That's how you make complex parts easy to understand. Break lines come in different styles for different jobs. The short break line, a thick, wavy line, is great for small areas or interrupted views. For long, round parts like shafts, use the S-break, a stylized S through the part. For rectangular parts, use a jagged zigzag, like a lightning bolt. Offset breaks are for section views that need to jog around features, letting you show more in one view. Full view breaks shorten the whole part. Partial interruptions just peel back a small area to reveal hidden features. Use the right break for the right shape. Each one makes your drawing clearer. The goal is always the same: less clutter, more clarity. Pick the right break and your drawing tells the story at a glance. That's the pro move. Let's break a long steel shaft step by step. First, decide where to break. Skip the uniform middle, keep the detailed ends. Draw one end with its features. Add the first S-break line across the shaft. Leave a gap, then draw the other end with its features. Add the second S-break line. Now, dimension the full, real length from tip to tip, even though the drawing is much shorter. The drawing is compact, but the dimension tells the truth. Use your KD's break tool to save time. That's how you fit a 10-meter shaft on a single page, accurately. Breaks and interruptions are everywhere. Beams, drive shafts, pipes. Without them, engineering drawings would be unreadable. Breaks let you focus on connection details and cross-sections, not endless lines. But beware. Never dimension the broken length, always show the true size. Use the right break line for the part's shape. S-break for round, zigzag for square. Don't break through important features, only remove uniform sections. And don't add breaks just for fun, only when needed. Master these, and your drawings will be clear, professional, and mistake-free. It's a small skill with a huge impact. So go ahead, start breaking things the right way. That's how you draw like a pro.